with Blake's Trains and More. Today we're going to be at our house trying and knocking down the Dominos with just the engine and the coal car of the Pixar Express. Now make sure to like, subscribe, share, and ring that little bell icon. Now let's get started. And we already set up the Dominos. And I'm going to turn it on. And then we'll set y'all on a tripod. We're about to knock the Dominos down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let the train go, maybe it'll knock the others.
Okay.
Got some of them.
Yep.
He's coming to get the others.
Yep. I gotta go slow.
Come on, Mr. Toy Story train. There we go.
It's working.
There it goes.
It's kind of working.
Yeah. He's got one more thing to go. There they go.
Yay! We did it!
Hey, look. Made a cool design.
It looks pretty cool.
It does.
I like it. So, it took some tries. We knocked them down on mistakes. So, that was really good.
We can get a close-up of the engine that did it.
Oh,
We used,
yeah. Everybody clap. Yay!
we used our Pixar Toy Story train with
Yep.
Woody as the cat, as
Yeah.
the engineer.
Yep. So, that is pretty awesome. I pretty much love that. That was super cool. Now, and my goal is in 2024 is to run into the 10 tracker.
We have to meet him at a park.
In 2024. And so that was it for you. All with Blake's Trains and More today. That was it for you. All Blake's Trains and don't forget, you young ones have a really good day. Bye!